Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Hyundai Ioniq key battery. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the mechanical key. Once the mechanical key is removed, you will see a small slot where it was stored. This slot is crucial for the next step in opening your key fob. Now, take a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin. Insert it into the slot you just revealed. Gently twist the tool to carefully pry open the key fob casing. You should hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Continue to gently work your way around until the two halves are completely separated. With the key fob open, you will see the small coin cell battery inside. It's usually a CR2032 type. Carefully remove the old battery from its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, which is usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Ensure it sits snugly in place. Finally, align the two halves of your key fob and gently press them back together until they snap securely into place. Make sure there are no gaps. Then, reinsert the mechanical key until you hear it click firmly into position. Before you go, test the key fob's functionality with your vehicle to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.